Hi guys, this video is about a roadmap for upgrading from a developer to an applied AI developer, the way I would approach this task now in March 2025. So, I'm a mid-career, full-time developer, mainly backend. My company is gradually adopting different AI tools, both at work and as part of our products. I already worked with some topics and technologies related to AI at work and working on side and hackathon projects. And also, I have quite limited and unstable free time for study. Though I worked with some AI technologies, I feel that my knowledge is somewhat incomplete and fragmented. I roughly understand what topics I do not know yet thoroughly, but I don't have a strict, clear plan on how to cover those. So I searched for existing options for how this could be addressed. For example, I went to this Roadmap SH site, which I like, and which I used to learn other more narrow topics and technologies, and I found a few roadmaps there related to AI or Gen AI or LLMs, like this official AI Engineer roadmap, or this Gen AI roadmap 2024, or this LLM Engineer roadmap. I also found some courses, both free and paid, like this one from Aishwarya Naresh Raganti. And though all these are great resources, and I'm sure they will work for some of you, neither of them suited my needs completely. So either I didn't like some structure or content, or it looked a little bit too expensive. And so I decided to create my own roadmap, partly to organize my existing knowledge, partly to create a plan of what needs to be learned next. At some point I thought, why not make a public free product from this? And here's what I've got. This roadmap is meant to be quite clear and self-explanatory. However, let me quickly stop on some general and introductory points. So, let's start from what is meant by AI developer in this roadmap. AI developer or applied AI developer or AI engineer, LLM engineer, etc. Because definitions differ significantly between different companies and products. Here, by AI developer, we mean a software developer who uses existing pre-trained large language models, LLMs, or other AI tools to improve user experiences. That is, AI developers use LLMs mainly through APIs to build AI solutions. They do not create models from scratch. This is done mainly by machine learning engineers or AI researchers. Here is a brief summary of the skills required from an AI developer based on the first 20 vacancies I found on Google in February 2025. As we can see, the AI developer needs to learn programming languages like, for example, Python or JavaScript, have experience in backend development, working with cloud platforms, APIs, data pipelines, ETLs, etc. They should have experience working with OpenAI or similar APIs, frameworks like LangChain, vector databases, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and prompt engineering. So building chatbots, fine-tuning and optimizing LLMs. So, given this definition, it's assumed that you're a full-stack or a backend developer. This roadmap could be useful for developers who would like to improve their skills and knowledge for building LLM-based applications like me, or maybe to learn this from scratch. I also assume that it may be used by potential entrepreneurs willing to learn building LLM applications by themselves. I do not think that it will work good for people without any coding experience, and also those looking for deep theoretical AI, machine learning, data science, or MLOps topics. So next, what this roadmap will give you. It starts from covering some basics like common terms, then ensures that you're familiar with the ChatGPT-like products and coding assistants and are using LLMs daily. And then it focuses on 4 main sections or technologies, which from my experience and as of the beginning of 2025 cover most of the use cases or problems which may be solved by an AI developer. And these 4 sections are prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, agents, and fine-tuning. That is, this roadmap covers basics and then focuses on prompt engineering, RAG, agents, and fine-tuning. Each subsequent section assumes knowledge of the previous sections. This roadmap is practice-oriented. Each section has one or multiple practical tasks. These are not very big and not complex tasks like create a simple Python Node.js or Jupyter Hub Notebook solution where you need to integrate with the given API to get the following functionality. And here is an example. Or reproduce the functionality shown in this video. And here is an example Colab. That is, if you thoroughly follow this roadmap, at the end you will have 17 GitHub repositories which can demonstrate your knowledge in this field. Also, this roadmap references 4 small courses which last from around an hour to 3 maybe hours. These are Lisping blocks like GenAI for everyone, ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers, AI engines in LangGraph, and fine-tuning large language models. All these 4 courses are from Deep Learning AI. These materials can be accessed for free. And optionally, these courses can be taken on Coursera with a paid certificate. Certificates on Coursera cost around $49 each, but Coursera also has a Coursera Plus subscription with I think $59 per month, and during that month you can take multiple certifications. Courses partly overlap with same section materials, but not always. That is, they can be considered somewhat alternative, somewhat complementary information. I'd recommend, if you have time, to take both. What will be needed from you? Firstly, for sure, motivation and persistence. Secondly, time. Depending on how much free time you have, this course objectively may take from several weeks to several months. Next, the roadmap is free and all the materials referenced here can be taken for free, but part of the tasks need using OpenAI API. And there, to get even some credits, you need to add minimum $5. So this may be required. And also, optionally you may get certificates, as I mentioned earlier. And maybe some other general points like this. That is, I tried to pick the best materials I saw at this time, at this moment, but you understand that everything is changing very quickly now and getting outdated very quickly. So I encourage you to look for more up-to-date or better materials for each of the sections. And also, originally this map was created by me for myself. I will be following it as well, and I will be further reworking and improving it as I do that. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, I will be happy to get them. And yeah, I will be happy to know if you are using this roadmap. Thanks for listening. And if you are going to follow this roadmap, have a good luck, be persistent, and I wish you to achieve the goals you are setting for you.